Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of creative home decor and love the idea of incorporating nature into your living spaces, you've come to the right place. Today, we're exploring the enchanting world of wood log furniture. Wood log furniture is about more than just aesthetics. It's about storytelling, sustainability, and creativity. Each piece embodies the beauty of nature, bringing a unique touch to your home. Whether you're redecorating your entire home or looking for that one statement piece, we've got a wealth of ideas inspired by the beauty of wood logs. You won't want to miss what we have in store. We'll kick things off with some extraordinary log sofas. Picture a sleek yet sturdy sofa made from logs, with cushions that invite you to sink in and relax after a long day. These pieces combine comfort with a rustic vibe that can anchor any living room. And how about log accent chairs? These striking additions can serve as eye-catching statements in your space, showcasing the raw beauty of the wood while providing comfortable seating for your guests. Transitioning to the outdoors, let's talk about log fire pits. Imagine gathering around a gorgeous log fire pit on a chilly evening, the flames dancing and the warmth enveloping you. This piece not only serves a functional purpose, but also creates an inviting atmosphere for outdoor gatherings. But we're not stopping there. Wooden log storage units are both practical and aesthetically pleasing. These clever designs allow you to keep your space organized while still celebrating the beauty of natural world. You'll love our ideas for log coat racks or entryway benches, perfect for setting the tone for your home as soon as guests walk through the door. These pieces beautifully blend functionality with rustic style. We'll also spotlight decorative wood log wall features, such as log paneling or accent walls, that can transform a mundane space into a rustic haven, elevating the overall aesthetic of any room. Sustainability is a hot topic, and using reclaimed wood is an excellent choice. We'll discuss how choosing reclaimed logs for your furniture not only helps the planet, but also adds a layer of history and character to your pieces. Are you interested in DIY projects? We have some fantastic tips and tricks for crafting your own wood log furniture, making it a fun and rewarding experience that you can share with family and friends. We'll also delve into style incorporation, showing you how to mix and match wood log furniture with various decor styles, whether it's modern, industrial, farmhouse, or eclectic. Each log piece has its own texture and hue, and we'll share insights on how to choose the right finish to enhance or complement the natural beauty of wood in your home. Don't forget to engage with us as we present some viewer-submitted ideas and transformations. We love seeing how our community incorporates wood log furniture into their own homes, and your creativity might be featured in an upcoming video.